right, so let me understand this. The GoWise USA air fryer allows you to do all that with very little oil?
None at all.
So I know the GoWise USA air fryer times up to about 30 minutes,
Yes.
right? And I know it has a number of presets. How
Yes,
many?
there is 7 presets.
And many models come like that, pre-programmed, so
Yeah,
it takes the
exactly.
thinking away from frying.
Exactly.
In fact, there's different sizes. There's a 2.75 quart model, 3.7 quart, and 5.8 quart. And Chef, the rapid air circulation technology cooks food by circulating hot air in all directions, ensuring fast and even cooking.
Exactly.
Philips air fryer transforms home cooking. It makes air the new oil. Fry, grill, bake or roast using a tablespoon.
All right, so let me understand this. The GoWise USA air fryer allows you to do all that with very little oil? All right, so let me understand this. The GoWise USA air fryer allows you to do all that with very little oil?
None at all.
So I know the GoWise USA air fryer times up to about 30 minutes,
Yes.
right? And I know it has a number of presets. How
Yes,
many?
there is 7 presets.
And many models come like that, pre-programmed, so
Yeah,
it takes the
exactly.
thinking away from frying.
Exactly.
In fact, there's different sizes. There's a 2.75 quart model, 3.7 quart, and 5.8 quart. And Chef, the rapid air circulation technology cooks food by circulating hot air in all directions, ensuring fast. All right, so let me understand this. The GoWise USA air fryer allows you to do all that with very little oil?
None at all.
So I know the GoWise USA air fryer times up to about 30 minutes,
Yes.
right? And I know it has a number of presets. How
Yes,
many?
there is 7 presets.
And many models come like that, pre-programmed, so
Yeah,
it takes the
exactly.
thinking away from frying.
Exactly.
In fact, there's different sizes. There's a 2.75 quart model, 3.7 quart, and 5.8 quart. And Chef, the rapid air circulation technology cooks food by circulating hot air in all directions, ensuring fast and even cooking.
Exactly.
Philips air fryer transforms home cooking. It makes air the new oil. Fry, grill, bake or roast using a tablespoon or less of oil for great tasting meals with up to 75% less fat.